Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories, robots in China and a child on Mount Fuji. To follow today's episode, transcripts and vocabulary are at LinguaWire.com. First, a big day for a Chinese robot company. Now we go to Mia, LinguaWire's correspondent for technology.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, this company had a huge first day in Shanghai.
A huge first day means strong interest from buyers.
The company is Unitree. It is known for very advanced robots. The company sold shares on the stock market. Its price went up very fast on day one.
So people were buying very quickly. How big was the rise?
The report says the shares were up more than 460%. That is a very large rise.
More than 460% is striking. Why are investors so excited?
Unitree makes robot dogs and humanoid robots. Humanoid robots look more like people. They can walk, they can move, they can do simple tasks. People see them as part of future AI.
So this is not just a toy story. It is about work, homes, and machines. What jobs do people imagine for them?
The company says robots may help in factories. They may also help inside homes one day. Examples include cleaning, cooking, and folding shirts.
That sounds useful, but also hard. Why is homework so difficult?
They must understand space very well. They need to move around chairs and doors. For now, many are still remote controlled. Others follow a program.
So they are clever, but not free. What do experts think can happen soon?
One analyst says that is still the problem. He thinks some basic jobs may come soon. He mentioned bringing tea and bringing coffee.
And there is also a political side here, right? What is happening there?
The report says a US agency banned imports of foreign advanced robotics last month. That was for national security reasons. But in China, Unitree is seen as a showpiece company. It also has lower costs and a strong supply chain.
So this one company sits in a bigger tech race. What does that mean for China and the US?
That is the idea. The company has a strong place in China, but the US still has some strengths too. So this race is far from over.
Next, a serious story from Mount Fuji. Now we go to Noah, LinguaWire's correspondent for society.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, this was a worrying case on the mountain.
What happened on the mountain?
A father left his 7-year-old son alone. He did this on Mount Fuji in Japan. The boy had said he was tired. The father told him to wait there.
That is a very hard image. How were the weather conditions?
It was also cold and wet. The boy was found in fog and rain. He had only a soft drink and a snack.
Only that much food and drink. How long was the child alone?
For several hours. The report says it was about 8 hours. Staff at a mountain hut found him first. They then alerted police.
So other people on the route stepped in. Where was the father then?
The father had kept climbing with his older son. Police later found him higher up the mountain. They say he was still on the route.
What did police say to him?
They reprimanded him. The report says officers told him leaving a child behind is not okay. The father later apologized for his rash choice.
That word rash fits here. It sounds quick and careless. Why did this case get so much attention?
Yes, and this case got attention because Mount Fuji is busy. Many people climb it each year. But the mountain can be hard and dangerous. The route also has daily limits in some places.
So this was not just a family mistake. It was also a safety problem.
Exactly. The child was safe in the end. But the case raised big questions about judgment on a mountain.
First, 3 words from the Mount Fuji story. 1. Mountain, a high hill or peak. Example, we climbed the mountain before lunch. 2. Tired, needing rest or sleep. Example, I feel tired after a long walk. 3. Apologized, said sorry. Example, she apologized for arriving late. Now the grammar point, was found. We use was found for a past event. We use it when other people find someone or something. Example 1. The boy was found on the mountain. Example 2. Staff at the hut found him. Repeat after me, was found. If LinguaWire is helping you, the kindest thing you can do to support our growing team and language learning program is leave a rating wherever you're listening. It's how other learners find the show. And if something could be better, tell us through the feedback form at linguawire.com.